An 18-year-old Kingston resident was shot by a city police officer early Friday after displaying a weapon during a burglary investigation, according to state police. Alex Jeffries was shot once in the abdomen shortly after midnight after fleeing from the Chase Bank branch at Kingston Plaza, police said. They said Jeffries suffered what appeared to be a non-life-threatening wound, underwent surgery at Albany Medical Center, and was listed in stable condition. State police, who are overseeing the investigation at the request of city police, said city police responded to a burglary alarm at the bank, saw Jeffries fleeing the rear of the building and stopped him, and that an officer shot Jeffries after he displayed a weapon. The male officer, whose name was not provided, will be off the street until an investigation of the incident is complete, said Police Chief Egidio Tinti.